purchased 2 of these Infinity Hula Hoops. It's not really the Infinity brand, it's a knockoff brand, but I like it. It comes with the weighted ball, and then the hula hoop itself comes in separate links, so you're able to adjust it to your size. Now that's the one thing with this brand, I don't know if it's with all of them, but the links are kind of tough to get apart. You have to squeeze them together, and the little notches need to go down below. So anyways, it was a little bit difficult for me, so if you're having trouble with your hands, that's something to keep in mind. The ball just slips inside the groove here, so that was pretty easy enough to figure out. And I ended up needing 20 links for a 29-inch waist, and I'm going to go ahead and, again, kind of tough to get that in there. There must be an easier way. I wanted it a little bit loose. It's not really tight, so here I go now. Making sure everything is clear. Back off, everybody. Not my actual practice space, but for video purposes, here we go. I'm trying it out, and at first I'm trying it like a hula hoop, and it's definitely not a hula hoop. It's a little bit different. Okay, I think I've got it now. It's more of a rocking motion. Every time I turn the video off, I do much better. Okay, I think I got it here. All right, so obviously I need a lot more practice, but I do love that it comes with the extra pieces, comes with an extra rope. It is a well-made ball, pretty heavy duty. I mean, like you can comp something with it. It does give you the fun exercise that I'm looking for. Great way to get movement. The only downfall would be, of course, that it's kind of hard to get off, but overall, just really nice little gadget.